How to start talking on the HelloTalk application. And this process is very straightforward and very easy to follow. But before that, all I have to do at first is, of course, go into your Play Store or any app store that you have where you downloaded HelloTalk, and just to make sure that you're using the latest version of the app to avoid any issues or crashes. Now let's start by opening the application. In here, make sure that you are logged in into your official HelloTalk account. So at the bottom part of your dashboard, you should be able to see HelloTalk, Connect, Moments, Voice Room, and Me. For you to start talking, just go into Voice Room and just simply participate into any other room that you or you prefer. Now, before you can go ahead and talk, all you have to do is to be on stage first. To be on stage is actually the one that is showing your screen, which is indicated as a circle icon. Now, once you're on the stage, you will have an option to adjust the microphone level, even mute or unmute it. And that's it. That is how you start talking on HelloTalk application.